Hey there guys, it's PC Guy here, and today we're talking about water cooling. It's a cooling method used mostly on CPUs and graphics cards, though it can also be used on RAM, motherboards, or VRMs. It works by placing a block with a metal plate in contact with the CPU or GPU, through which cold water flows and collects the heat generated. The water flows through tubes to a radiator equipped with fans. The air then cools the water, which is sent back to a pump that starts the cycle anew. So why bother with the extra hassle? One point is water has better thermal conductivity, so the heat is moved out quicker. Another is that the radiator can be elsewhere in the case, allowing you to have more and bigger heat sinks or radiators and more fans cooling your system, since an air cooling can't be very big due to space limitations. And because you have more fans, each fan can spin slower, bringing the noise levels down and giving you an even more silent PC. Water cooling usually offers better performance than air cooling, although it tends to be more expensive, require more maintenance, and you have to make sure it's not leaking. Like and sub if you like these videos, leave a comment or suggestions below, and thank you for watching.